So this is an example of the concept map that we will be using in our introductory lesson for multiplication. I will be doing this same lesson with the same tools and same examples on the board during class, but this can be a good at-home resource for practice or some memorization and reminders about what we talked about. So a little review. So first we're going to have three groups here, which are our arrays. So we have one group here, and one group here. As you can see, each group has 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the purpose of each group and with the stars is to see how can we find out the total amount of stars that are in the total page. So we could do a couple things. We could add 4 stars 3 times. So since there's 3 groups with 4 stars in each group, we could add 4 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Or we could multiply 4 by 3 because there's 4 stars and 3 groups. So 4 times 3 equals 12 as well. As you can see, adding 4 3 times is more time consuming than just multiplying 4 times 3. Each way would give you the same answer, but to multiply is more simple. You can practice with more groups, more stars, smaller amount of groups, increase the amount of stars, but no matter which way, you're going to see that adding multiple times is the same as multiplying, and it would be much simpler to use. As we continue on in our lesson with our practice of games and flashcards and more examples, you will see how multiplication relates directly to addition. I hope this helps, and I hope you can use it at home to review. Thank you. Okay, for this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to use the bbc.com game timetable camel for an at-home resource to help you guys practice your timetables. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the wiki page for our lesson, and on my introduction page right here, you're going to scroll down to the media. Here I have the link for the game. You can also you can type it in the box here, bbc.co.uk. So we're going to go to that game right now. So this is the beginning of the game. This is what's going to come up here. You're going to choose either medium, hard, or really hard. Because we're just beginning our multiplication facts, we're going to start with medium. Just make sure your volume is on. And we're going to choose medium. So you're just going to be helping this character loading her camel with the right amount of fruit for her trip using her multiplication facts. So let's start the game and I'll show an example. So here you're going to you have 10 cherries in this basket, and you need to use your multiplication facts to find out how many cherries are in the basket total. So the first thing you're going to do is know that this is one set of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 of 10. So you're going to do 9 times 10, which is 90. And you're going to choose that, and that's the correct answer. You're going to continue playing the game until you get onto a new level. And this right here shows you that 10 plus 10 9 times is the same as 10 times 9. And you can continue on to another problem. Now this basket also has 10, but it's a different amount. So again, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 groups of 10. So that's 10 plus 10 10 times, or 10 times 10, which is the same. Get the same sum, and that's 100. So you can continue playing this game at home. It'll show you the difference as addition and multiplication, and it's going to continue to go on using different multiplication facts. This is your 2 times tables, and so this would be 2 melons in each basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 baskets, so 7 times 2, or 2 plus 2 7 times is the same as 2 times 7, and that's 14. And that's it. So you can continue playing this game at home, or we can use this in class as a good resource for practicing our timetables. And that's it. To end the game, you're just going to hit close, and you can leave this web page, and that's the end of your game. Thank you guys for using this game.